Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to convert speech into text using Python and the AssemblyAI API. This is super useful for transcribing pre-recorded audio files or automating speech-to-text process. The tool we are using is AssemblyAI. I have tested it multiple times and the quality of the transcriptions is highly accurate. So first, we need an AssemblyAI account. Once we sign up, you will get an API key. This is what allows you to use their speech-to-text service. It has great online resources and tutorials, plenty of examples and explanations. But one thing I really wanted to do is deleting my transcription outputs from AssemblyAI space, because I don't want my transcriptions to be available to others. So in their FAQ, you can see you could reach their support team to request the deletion of your transcriptions, but that is too manual. I have spent some time researching their API and found a way to delete my transcription output after transcribing the audio file. I have shared my Python codes on the first link in the description. So what you need is to create two Python files here. The main one allows you easily transcribe the audio files and also remove your transcription output from AssemblyAI's website. The API's secret file keeps your API key. Then let's save these two Python files in a folder like what I did here. Also put the audio file that you want to transcribe. For me, it is this test audio file, which is a MP3 file. Open command prompt, navigate to the folder around the main Python file. Very quickly, you will see a transcription ID showed up in the command prompt, which means the AssemblyAI already helped us completed the transcription. So I can also see my transcription text file generated here. So now you know how to convert the speech to text within just a few minutes, which is really powerful thanks to this technology. Again, if you want to try it out, click on the first link in the description. For now, thank you so much for watching. Good luck and see you next time.